Hey there, wanna grow celery at home without soil? It's super easy, anyone can do it. Let's check it out. Grab a styrofoam box with a lid. This will be your nutrient-rich water container. Use a drinking cup as a guide. Draw 5 circles on the lid. Adjust the number based on your needs. Use a craft knife to cut holes along the lines. Make sure each hole fits a drinking cup snugly. These holes hold the growing cups and let the roots reach the nutrient-rich water directly and easily. Pour clean water into the styrofoam box. Add some water-soluble hydroponic fertilizer or a specialized hydroponic nutrient solution, providing essential nutrients for the celery, ensuring the plants get enough moisture. Optimizing the hydroponic process. Prepare some coconut coir. Use drinking cups as growing pots. Poke some drainage holes at the bottom of the cups. This allows the celery to absorb the nutrient solution easily, ensuring effective hydroponics. Coconut coir as a growing medium. Add a moderate amount to each cup. Coconut coir is lightweight and nutrient-rich, full of organic matter, supporting fast celery growth. Place the celery seedlings into the cups. Then, place the celery cups into the holes. Fix them in place. Make sure the cups are partially submerged in water. Your home hydroponic celery system is ready. The celery will grow quickly over time, day by day. The celery will become greener and healthier. The roots will also grow stronger. During this time, minimal care is needed. Just place the system in a sunny spot on your balcony or patio. Regularly check the water level. Replenish when necessary. After about 50 days, the celery will reach the desired height and thickness. It's harvest time. Let's see our results. The celery is fresh and tender. The roots have filled the bottom of the cups, showing our successful growing. When harvesting, use scissors to cut the celery at the base, leaving about 1 to 2 inches. Keep a portion of the roots to allow for further growth, preventing damage to the whole plant. Celery has a strong regeneration ability. After harvesting, new leaves will continue to grow. Through regular harvesting and proper care, multiple harvests can be achieved, extending the growing period. Growing celery at home this way is very simple and practical. Perfect for those without a yard using balconies or patios. Pretty cool, right? Smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome gardening tips.